Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will tell you how to create banner on Canva. So first of all I will open my canva.com. So you can see there are a lot of options: home, all templates, photos, icons, brand templates, and many others. So here you can see a lot of options. So I type in search bar YouTube banner, so you can see there are a lot of banners available. So if I select it, for example this one and this one, for example we will select this one banner for our YouTube channel. So you can see this one. I will click on backspace and beautiful place. Travel is journey, and also delete this one. So you can small it, this one, and also on the left side. So easily you can create banner on canva.com. So if I want to create another, for example this one, so there are a beautiful picture. If I click on right side, this one on left side in corner, I delete this one. Amazing type and delete this one. So amazing, this one is looking good in this size, so we will small it and also small it. So it's looking amazing. So easily you can create beautiful banner for your YouTube channel. So it's banner looking amazing. Large it. So easily you can check this one. Now it's looking good. So I hope now you have an idea how to create banner on Canva. So we will create another banner on canva.com. So if I selected this one, for example, so we will delete and also delete it. Delete this one. Select these three items on the right side. It's delete this one. Backspace. Amazing pics look like. So our banner is ready. So now I hope now you have an idea how to create banner on Canva. So please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.